Hello guys, welcome to my channel Electro Tech Center. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to interface LCD 16 into 2 with microcontroller PIC18F. So let's get started with schematic design first. So let me open Proteus software. So here I have taken PIC18F microcontroller, connected crystal circuitry and reset circuitry. This circuit I have explained in my previous video, so go through that previous videos so you will get familiar with that circuits. And also connected 16 into 2 with this microcontroller. So this three signaling pin I have connected with this RC port, and data pin I have connected with port D. So this LCD also I have explained in my previous video of 8051 microcontroller tutorial. So you can watch that video to understand better. So now we will see coding part. So for coding we are using MPLAB IDE. So let's open MPLAB. So in previous video I have explained how to create projects and add source files. So in this video I am not going to explain this all. I am just explaining this code. So here first of all you have to add header file for PIC microcontroller. It is xc.h. You have to define port pins RC0, RC1 and RC2 for register, select, read, write and enable pins, as I have connected these LCD pins to that RC port, and I am defining port D as LCD data port. So here I am declaring some functions for LCD and delay. So I have explained these all functions in my 8051 tutorial. So inside main I have taken one integer variable for loop, which I have used inside while. Here I am making this C register 0, 1 and 2 bits as 0, because I have to use that RC0, 1 and 2 pin as a output pin. So for making it output pins you have to make it 0, and this TSD register all 0. As I am using this port D as LCD data port, you have to make these pins output pins. So here I have done that thing. So first of all you have to initialize your LCD. So for initializing LCD you have to send some command to LCD, which I have written inside this initialization function. So I will show you initialization function. So here you can see in init function command 38, 0e, 01 and 80. I have already explained in my previous video what is meaning by that commands. So that command you have to send to LCD for initialization. So after initialization you have to send data by using this dat function. I have sended my character. You can send any character. You, okay, I am sending here A. So inside a while loop I am just moving that character on my LCD from left to right in first for loop, and in next second for loop I am just moving that character from right to left. And here I have defined delay function, init function, data function, command function and string function. So for single character you can use data function, and for string, if you want to send string on LCD, that time you can refer this str function. So inside str it is using data function only, so one by one it is sending character to LCD, so that will become a little bit easy for dealing with string. So let's generate hex file. In production you have to click on build main project, so it will generate hex file. So here you can see your led.hex file is generated and build successful message has given. So now load this hex file in our microcontroller. So to see output on LCD you have to start simulation first. So here you can see your whatever character you have sent on LCD, which is moving from left to right and right to left. So like that you can write to code for LCD. So in next video we will see how to interface keyboard to this PIC18 microcontroller. So thanks for watching this video.